How to clear your Instagram's cache. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to clear Instagram's cache. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your setting. Scroll down, search for apps and click on manage apps. Now search for Instagram. Now all you need to do is search for clear cache or clear data, and now I can click on clear cache and click on OK, and this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.